This is the Iowa weather report for Friday, September 13th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have a ridge trying to build over the west. We have a trough digging through the Great Lakes and the East Coast. We still have our northwesterly flow. It's going to keep us fairly cool today with highs in the 60s north and east to low to mid 70s south and west with mainly sunny skies. But that rainfall you see to our southwest that's been flooding parts of northern Colorado will be slowly moving in our direction. Here on Saturday, most of the day should be dry, except the far northwestern counties may see some early afternoon and into the evening rain that may affect the Iowa State game, may not. Sunday, though, the worst of the 2 days this weekend as rain comes in. The chances aren't great, but they're better than we've seen. Probably about 20 to maybe 30 or 40% with highs likely in around the 70s or so. But as you can see, that slowly moves away as high pressure dives in to the UP of Michigan. That'll cool the temperatures back down, maybe into the upper 60s northeast to mid to upper 70s southwest. But as you can see, the rain doesn't really go far away as the Gulf seems to open up. So there could be a scattered shower or storm around here on Tuesday as a new system begins to move in from the west. It's centered over the Dakotas here on Wednesday, so there could be some scattered shower activity. This looks a lot drier than yesterday's run, we should say, though. And then looking at Thursday, the low begins to occlude a bit. Maybe some moisture around, some scattered showers here Thursday as well. But it doesn't look as great as yesterday's run, however. A week from today, you can see that peace energy just to the north of the Great Lakes. You can see a fairly decent trough axis coming into the Pacific Northwest with a deep trough there. Otherwise, looking at the surface, you can see maybe a little bit of rain around here. Best chances will be from here eastward and a very vigorous system moving in to the Pacific North and West. A couple days after that, into the extended period, we have September the 24th, a decent storm system off the New England and Canadian Maritime coast, trough axis moving through the plains into the upper Midwest, and that could bring some more scattered showers and thunderstorms here around that time. With a system that could be a tropical system moving off the East Coast, and temperatures staying fairly seasonal. At the end of the forecast on September the 28th, we have an upper level feature over the eastern Great Lakes into New England, a bit of a ridge trying to poke up in the plains, and another trough coming into the north and west. It could bring some scattered showers and storms there, some rain in the Great Lakes and northeast, and temperatures still remaining maybe at or just slightly below seasonal levels. The satellite image from last evening, we had some showers and thunderstorms with the plume of of the Pacific moisture coming into the south and west, causing a lot of flooding in Colorado, and a cold front moving off the East Coast. There was a flash flood watch in effect in down East Maine into New Hampshire, frost and freeze advisories in Minnesota, flash flood watches and warnings across the Intermountain West. Elsewhere, it's fairly quiet. But the QPF chart doesn't look very quiet. This is rainfall through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock. And here we could see rainfall amounts between a ½ inch and maybe upwards of 2 inches of rain. We'll have to see if the amounts get that high, though.